seeds are now being distributed. Number one,
and then by beds so that we can have.
We follow the 5 pillars of bed, factory, business people, and map, the bottom map is more around the masses.
We've not had any complications or any much complaints from the farmer, and I would want to ask the farmers to completely ignore those kind of bad stories, because they have tested the fertilizer that we have given them. You will find that farmers appreciate the fertilizer that we have given them. Kenya has a standardization mark for or no institution that checks on standards. I have not received any formal complaint other than what we read from the media of anyone complaining of use of that fertilizer that is alleged to not be of any quality. Kenyan Bureau of Standards has not given me any letter or complaint of any supplier within the subsidy program that is supplying fertilizer that does not meet the required standard. So I do not want to deal with speculation, because I can only be a responsible member of government when I'm dealing with the facts that are verifiable. So I would want to ask the farmers to ignore.
Spending about 150 billion shillings just to import edible oil. The issue that we had when we started this project was the seed. We found out we didn't have seed. Kenya Seed had only 70 tons, and that 70 tons could only do about 20,000, 25,000 acres. And if we are to rely on sunflower alone, we need about 5 million acres, because we are importing 1 million metric tons.